my bike update. Alright, the frame is a premium Josh Harrington. It used to be red, but I painted it black because I hate red. It's gay. How you doing? And I put some stickers on it. First is the fox, second fly, third shadow, fourth fly, shadow. We go to the front, fly, dance comp, S&M. Alright, start with the front. I got fly Reuben grips, just got them today, but I accidentally only ordered one, so the other one will be in a couple days. And then this is my old one, where the Aaron Ross and with the fly or animal bar ends, and then forks are free agent, bars S&M, Grand Slam XLT, RO. Forks are the free agents with an Alienation PBR front rim, contact tires on front and rear. They're 225s. Collision headset. And then move to, it's the Fit Slimmer seat with the Fit DLD seat post, Shadow Alfred Light seat post clamp. Cranks are Eastern Nomad, they were black, painted them red, then I painted them purple. And then these are new, just got these a couple days ago, the DKPCs, they're light as shit. And then move to the back, it is a Quandro cassette 9-tooth, but it's broken, so I gotta get a new one.
Got that off me.
Black rim, or purple plain back rim with contact back tire.
Got the wheel off me.
And that's it. That's my bike check. Leave comments. Tell me what you think. How you doing?